Calculate the height and width of the door. Install 131. Pay attention to the arrows on the buffer component. Insert them from both ends of the aluminum material respectively. Install according to the corresponding card slot. The rail with buffer components can be installed either above or below. Install the door panel. After installing it into the guide rail, push the inner part down to the outside of the convex hull and tighten the screws.